to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss how to add external JavaScript in WordPress step by step. So actually what happened yesterday, I connect with a colleague who is Shopify developer, and at that time some issue was coming, like some JavaScript was not there. So uh, he was I was with him and on Google Meet, and then he was adding inside header.php and also asking where is index.html, etc. So I especially explain him how can add JavaScript in WordPress properly. So I also think many people also have same issue. So I I I thought, why not add as a video. So adding this video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, it is how to add external JavaScript in WordPress, and why proper script loading is important. So script will be in right place, and there should be not conflict with theme and plugin, etc. And site performance and maintainability must be improved. And there are two methods for add JS. First is WP enqueue script, and uh, if you uh, go to the WP documentation of WP enqueue script, then it says there are 5 parameters at here. First is handle, second is source, third is dependency, uh, fourth is version, and fifth is in footer or in the header. So first method is open your function.php file, and then add following code, and it is simple code. It is simple code, and I am going to my theme file. For edit theme file, go to appearance, and then click on theme file editor. And if you want to add anything inside theme file, then first create child theme, not directly add anything inside parent theme. So go to function.php, and inside that add some code at here, like I added this code, and go down and update file. Okay, now want to check. Now it is coming at here. Okay, but many people do not want to add modify theme, and modify child theme, etc. So for those we can do another thing. So for those people we can add external plugin like insert header footer plugin or other plugin. So first I am removing that code so that it will be because I will add same JS in our script. Okay, and okay, and go to okay, go to plugins folder and click on add new plugin, and then search insert header footer. Inside that there is lots of add-on like WP code, insert header and footer, insert header and footer code, ST script. So you can add anyone. I am installing insert header and footer via WP bridge. And go down and at the last click on settings, and at here you can add your script. Like this one is my script, so I want to add inside header, so I just put at here and then click on save changes. Now check again. Now it is coming. Okay, so by these two methods we can add external JS or internal JS also, means local JS also. And if suppose I just add script tag and site function.php, then it will be not good, and we do not use that thing, and always use WP in JavaScript for better management. And why I am as a developer with 11-year experience, I always focus on more with proper coding, etc. So for that we should if we use first step like WP in JavaScript, then via that we can use better dependency management, like at here. Now I am removing this script, and go to function.php again, go to appearance, theme file editor, inside child theme I was in function.php, and And first thing is, if I talked about better dependency management, dependency at here, like this is dependency, so I can manage multiple dependency, like this script is depend on jQuery, this script and is depend on TNMC or other. If TNMC JS is loaded, then we can then this script will be loaded, otherwise this script will not load. Suppose I want to add dependency on jQuery, so I will pass as jQuery and then save. So this JS will load after loading script. Means jQuery first load, then our script will load. And improve performance, script can be added to the footer for better page load time. And if we check in documentation, then in the last step it is parameter, like we can pass true or false. So if we pass false, then it will be in the header, and if we pass true, then it will be in footer. So if we already know that for better page load, footer script will be better. So this option are also available inside WP Nikki script. And third thing, conditional loading. Script can be loaded only on a specific page using WordPress conditional tag. So like I want to add this only if is front page, is post page, is post, is page, etc. So we can also add these type of condition, like I want to add if our customer in WooCommerce on the website, then we can also add that condition. Avoid conflict, prevent duplicate script loading, and ensure compatibility with other plugin theme. So via this method we can also remove conflict between JS. So if you find this guide helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please visit my channel for latest WP video. I make WooCommerce video and WordPress video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.